In this video, we're going to discuss how to create an MVP. An MVP is a problem-solving model used to show different ways to solve word problems. You will be given a word problem, and you're expected to create your own MVP. Then create a video on Flipgrid explaining your process. An example of MVP is from this word problem. The Parents Club buys 12 cartons of pretzels to sell as refreshments at the soccer game. There are 75 bags of pretzels in one carton. How many bags of pretzels can each parent have? So, the M in MVP is math sentence. The math sentence is the numerical representation or the number sentence used to solve the problem. In this case, we will multiply 75 times 12 and get 900. The V in MVP is verbal explanation. In a verbal explanation, you're going to explain in words how you solve the problem. For example, in order to solve this problem, I need to multiply the number of bags of pretzels times the number of cartons. I multiply 75 times 12. 75 by 10 is 750. 75 times 2 is 150. And 750 plus 150 is 900. So there are 900 bags of pretzels for the parents to eat. The P in MVP stands for picture representation. That means draw a picture showing what you did. Your picture should always be in line with how to solve the problem. So just because I'm talking about pretzels doesn't mean I just draw one big pretzel. I need to make sure I actually show in the picture how to get the answer. So in this picture, notice I have cartons of pretzels. These represent cartons of pretzels. And I'm saying in each of these cartons there are 75 bags. So above each of those cartons of pretzels, I put 75. I have 12 cartons of pretzels at 75 bags each, so I'm showing that there are 12 75s, which give us 900. Another example. Mr. Lopez purchased 3 5/8 pounds of strawberries. He wants to give his co-workers 1 1/4 pounds of each strawberry. How many co-workers will receive strawberries from Mr. Lopez? So the first thing I want to do is I want to figure out my math sentence. My math sentence is going to be 3 5/8 divided by 1/4. Since I know I have 3 5/8 pounds and I'm distributing them to different co-workers, that means I'm going to separate them, so I'm going to divide. When dividing, I know that I'm going to change this into an improper fraction. You're going to get 29/8 divided by 1/4. And then I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal and multiply 29/8 times 4/1. I will get 1/16/8. Then divide 1/16 by 8 and I will get 14. Therefore, he can give 14 co-workers strawberries. Our next step is the verbal description. In the verbal description, I'm going to write the problem. I'm explaining that I'm writing the problem, turning all mixed numbers into improper fractions, multiply the denominator by the whole number, and add the answer to the numerator. Write an answer for step 2 over the denominator. After that, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal, 29 times 4, which is 116, and 8 times 1, which is 8. Then divide 116 by 8. The answer is 14. So here, I've done my math sentence and my verbal description. Last but not least, it's important that I do my picture representation. In this one, I want to represent strawberries by the pound. I know that I have 3 5/8 strawberries. So this is from the computer, but I need to see something that I can actually draw. So this is what I have. So each of these represent a pound. So here I have a pound broken into fourths because I know I'm going to be distributing fourths. And then also I have 5/8 pounds, and I want to distribute those into fourths. Well, I know that 1/4 is the same as 2/8, so I know I'm going to have 2/8. So here, if I look at a pound, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 1/4. 1, 2, 3, 4 1/4. 1, 2, 3, 4 1/4, which gives me 12 1/4. So that means so far out of 3 pounds, 12 people will be able to get strawberries. I also have an additional 5/8 pounds. And again, remember that 1/4 is 2/8. So based on this picture, I can actually give 2 more people strawberries. So in all, there will be 14 people that receive strawberries. Now, you are going to create an MVP for the following word problem. A large paper clip is 7 1/8 inches long. How many paper clips will it take to lay them end to end to have a total of 45 inches? Remember to create a video think aloud explaining your problem and how to solve it using the MVP strategy using Flipgrid. Make sure you click on the link and download the Flipgrid app if necessary to create your video. Have a great day.